Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm featuring another quick and easy video. I'm still featuring the Magical Day and you can see it here. This is Magical Mates Framelits in the Magical Day, and these two can be ordered separately or together, but if you get them together as a bundle, you save 10% on both of them. And what is really sad about this is that at the end of May, they're going to retire. So if you really like them, I think that it will be great for you to get it right away before this retire. So anyway, the other thing that comes in this suite, it's the design series paper, and you can see it here. It's just gorgeous, and it has one of the sheets has some sort of shining or like literally, and you can see here there's unicorns, there's bubbles, there's dragons, there's mermaids, you name it. It has a lot of stuff. So anyway, great paper to have. So the card today, as usual, card base is 8.5 by 5.5, which we're gonna be folding it in half. So no surprises there. And then I have a piece of Pool Party, and this one is, I believe, 5 by 3 and 3 3/4. Let me just go here. Yes. Then I have the design series paper, and you can see here, one side has, you can see the glittery, and then this section is just great for this one. And this one is 4.5. Is that right? Yeah, 4.5 by 3 1/4. So this one is, you can see it's a little bit, I have 1/4 of an inch on each end, and I've already punched out using the Best Batch punch. I got one from Smoky Slate, and by the way, this one is also retiring at the end of May, so if you like it, go ahead and get it. And I have a piece of Pool Party shimmer ribbon, which this one is the same to the next catalog, so no fear there. I also have a scrap of Whisper White, where this is where I'm going to be stamping the night. And where is the memento? Yeah, here is the memento. I'm going to be using the memento because I want to color it with the what is this called? With the blends. So let's just go ahead, and we need to I don't have much space here, so let me just put everything here while I bring the big shot. So here it is, and as I mentioned before, I know I have to change my mat, but it's still working, so I'll do it when it actually breaks completely. But anyway, it's still there. Yes, there we go. All right, so I have this. Let me break this section. So here it is. Oh my goodness, what did it do? It moved. So let me do it again then. And you know what? It's funny because I was going to color it before. I'm glad I didn't do it. Usually I try to die cut first before coloring it, because if it moves like it did right now, then you have to do the whole thing. So I'm glad this happened, so I can share with you why I don't color before, because sometimes it moves and then the whole thing kind of gets ruined, you know. There we go. Oh, I see what I'm doing. I think I'm moving it with my hand. Oh, I see. Okay. Sometimes this thing has its own mind, you know. So let me just do this. There we go. It should be fine this time. There we go. Let's just see. Much better. So let's just move this one out of the way. So yeah, like I said, I try not to color it beforehand because see, I would have had to redo the whole thing. So anyway, like I said, I'm glad because I never remember saying all these things until it happens, right? So let's just do, I'm using ivory for the face. And I mean, you know me by now. You know there's going to be some chicks on this guy. I mean, that's what I always do. I think it adds some sort of personality every single time I add those. Now I'm going to be doing just real simple. Coloring. And I think it needs this and that one because he has his shiny armor, right? I'm not so sure yet of the shoes, you know. I'll think about it in a second while I am painting everything else, and then I'm using the darker shade of these. And then there we go. And I'm going to do a little bit there and a little bit there. And then I'm going to go back with the lighter one and I'll show you how it looks. And there we go. So it has some sort of shading there. For the I don't know how to say this, but for this section I'm just gonna use the pool party because that's what the colors that I'm using on the card base, so I figure they're gonna have to have some sort of matching, don't you think? And then I'm gonna use the lighter one on this section. So it has like two colors on those. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do darker for this section. Because you know, and darker, completely dark on those two. Because everything is metal, don't you think? All those knights are always in shiny armor, so I think this one has to be the case as well. And I'm just gonna make sure it is kind of darker. Kind of like this section as well. And I'll show you in a second. And you know what? I'm gonna do this section the same. And again, I'm using Pool Party. And I'm actually gonna be using, oh, you know what? The Wink of Stella. Of course, you saw that coming. I'm sure you did. I'm gonna be using Wink of Stella for his armor, you know, because it's shiny, right? Let's just do that, because it's all metal. It's all metal. I'm not gonna put it on this, but the whole rest will have it. It's still kind of boyish, you know, so I want to put it on the blue, but instead of this, since this is kind of like a shining armor. Oh my goodness, this looks the cutest. Let me show you. You see that? Wow. I mean, every time I use the Wink of Estella, I'm just surprised how great it looks. So let's just go ahead. Just go ahead and put this one. Again, we're going to be centering it. Then we're going to be gluing this. I think this one will go like so. Then I'm going to be using, you know what, I think I'm going to be using glue dots for these. I'm going to just put one in each hand, and then one in the center. And then I'm going to be putting it like so, right in the middle. And then I'm going to be using dimensionals on this. So I'll put dimensionals you know what, put it here and one more there. Let's just take those. And then I'm going to have this one like so. And then finally on this one, of course, I'm going to be using more dimensionals, because why wouldn't you, right? And you know what, I'm going to be using those little ones too. I feel like I need one here, one there, and one here. And maybe I can put this one kind of like more towards let me just take that one. This one got ruined, but I'm gonna put this one more towards the end. There we go. So let's just take all the little backings. Okay, what is the deal? Yes, there we go. And we're gonna put this one right here. I mean, is that not gorgeous? The only thing that I am missing so far is like a sentiment, you know? And honestly, I don't even know what to put on that one. So I'm just gonna let it go. I'm just gonna let it go like so. I could add a little sentiment here. I don't like that one. Maybe this one. Huh. Maybe, I don't know. I really don't know, because I feel like if it's for a boy, I can put here happy birthday inside. So I won't do anything. I think I'm just going to let it go like so, because I really think this should be for a little boy. And I think it will be maybe a birthday or congratulations or something. So I'm just, or maybe like something like you did it or something. That would be nice for a little boy. So anyway, so this is going to be my card for today. Hopefully you have enjoyed. Like I said, if you like the videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget about my ordering, my incentive. Anyone placing an online order through my store using the hostess code, which you can find at creatingwithali.com, will receive a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards. Everything is going to be cut and all the embellishments will be included except the stamping. And you'll get 4 cards in every card kit with instructions and everything. And then if your order is $50 or more, then you get also the accessory of the month. And so anyway, like I said, if you want to know what the hostess code is, go ahead and go to the creatingwithali.com, where you can find it in every single post, as well as on the sidebar. You'll see as well the monthly hostess. I don't put it here just because I don't know which month you're watching this video. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.